So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this Stearns belt pack boating vest. So this is a vest for any type of like I'm doing, say, a paddleboard or something like that. It's a great option for anyone also that might be doing some fishing or kayaking or anything. You just don't want the full on vest. Let me show you what all you get with this thing. So open it up here. All this thing is, it's a CO2 powered vest. So let's say you fall off the board, you just basically yank that, and there's an extra CO2 cartridge. I actually took it out of here. There's some literature and all that, but let me put this thing on, paddle around, and I'll show you what this thing kind of looks like while we got it on. Okay, so let me show you. There's a little pocket right here. So inside this little pocket, I've got an extra CO2 cartridge for if I do ever have to use it. I think there's a little kind of hook right here for hooking things too. The way this thing works is you basically just go around your waist like that. You know, waist mounted vest. You can wear it in front and back. So I can just pull on that thing like that, spin it around, got an extra cartridge, and I'm good to go. See y'all in the next video.